should tumble and fall, yeah, or the mountains should crumble